One wrong move, and it could all go up in flames ... or worse. Watch as I take on the ultimate test of precision, power, and patience cutting through the toughest logs with nothing but a roaring chainsaw and sheer determination. Will I conquer the wood, or will it conquer me? This is high-stakes lumber action you don't want to miss. The saw is screaming, the wood is cracking, and the tension is real. Join me in this adrenaline-pumping journey as I push the limits of speed and skill in the art of chainsaw wood cutting. One slip and it's game over. Are you ready to witness the chaos? This isn't just cutting wood, it's a battle against nature itself. With every rev of the chainsaw, the stakes get higher. Can I handle the pressure, or will the forest win this round? Buckle up, this is wood cutting like you've never seen before. Don't just watch, feel the intensity. Hit play now and experience the thrill of the cut. The chainsaw roared as John faced the towering oak, its ancient trunk defiant. Sweat dripped, his grip tightened. One wrong move, disaster ... The first cut deep, precise. The tree creaked, leaning dangerously toward power lines. Heart racing, he adjusted, cutting the opposite side. Sawdust flew, muscles burned. With a final pull, he stepped back. The oak groaned, then crashed perfectly into the clearing. John exhaled, triumphant. Another tree down, another crisis averted. He started cutting with professional movements and posture. After cutting 80% of the tree trunk, he started to drive pegs into the cut and used the axe to knock each peg into the tree trunk and made the final cut. Observation skills and escape after cutting nearly 90% of the tree trunk. This requires quickness and high concentration when working. Watching the tree trunk fall, I felt like a defeated giant in the NBA. While this feeling of anticipation is really great, the feeling of completing a job well done not only brings excitement, but also a lot of fun. We can see his joy after professionally cutting down the tree. Yes, this is the feeling of winning the game. Let's enjoy this moment. Amazing, the cuts are awesome, and daring the technical quality. I am sure he has more than 5 years experience in this industry. The bass sounds make me so excited. What do you guys think? He cut using the V-cut technique, dividing the top and bottom and cut each section as scripted perfectly. Good job. The roar of the chainsaw echoes through the dense forest, a symphony of power and precision. With each swift, calculated movement, the logger carves through the towering tree, the blade slicing through wood like a hot knife through butter. Sawdust flies, the scent of fresh timber fills the air, and the tree begins its graceful descent, landing with a thunderous crash. It's a heart-pounding moment, a blend of danger and mastery that demands respect for both the tool and the task. But this isn't just about cutting trees, it's about balance. Responsible logging means understanding the forest's rhythm. Every tree felled is a decision made with care, ensuring the ecosystem thrives. Selective cutting, replanting, and protecting wildlife habitats are all part of the process. It's a dance between man and nature, where every step is taken to preserve the forest's future. Chainsaw logging is more than just a job. It's a craft that demands skill, focus, and a deep respect for the environment. It's a reminder that with great power comes great responsibility to protect, sustain, and cherish the forests that give us life. We are an organization that specializes in producing videos aimed at entertaining people, providing more perspectives on forestry technology and human life and work in this industry. We thank you very much for coming here. Best regards.